Hello student, welcome back to our channel NEET Mantra. I am Prince Sharma, your biology faculty and mentor. So student, in this video we are going to solve some NCERT based objective from the chapter cell biology. So let's start. Our first question is, the cell theory is not applicable to fungi, algae, virus, microbes. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, virus. Next question we have, animal cells are interconnected by plasma membrane, cell wall, desmosomes, plasmodesmata. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, desmosomes. A desmosome or macula adherens can be defined as a specialized cellulose structure which help in cell to cell adhesion. Next question we have, the organelle serving as a primary packaging area for molecule that will be distributed throughout the cell is. Options are vacuoles, plastid, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, Golgi apparatus or Golgi apparatus. Next question we have, polyribosomes are aggregate of only RNA, peroxisome, ribosomes and rRNA, several ribosomes held together by string of mRNA. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, several ribosomes held together by string of mRNA is known as polyribosome. Next question we have, which of the following cell organelle is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrate to form ATP? Ribosome, chloroplast, mitochondrion, lysosome. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, mitochondrion. Next question we have, select the mismatch. Gas vacuole, green bacteria, large central vacuole, animal cell, protist, eukaryotes, methanogens, prokaryotes. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, large central vacuoles. It is a mismatch because large central vacuoles are present in plant cell. Next question we have, microfilament are composed of a protein called tubulin, actin, myosin, chitin. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, microfilament are composed of a protein called actin. Next question we have, the properties of integral membrane protein can be studied by atomic force microscopy, cryosectioning and electron microscopy, freeze fraction technique and electron microscopy, all of the above. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, freeze fracturing technique and electron microscopy. The freeze fracture technique consists of physically breaking apart or fracturing a frozen biological sample. Structural details exposed by the fracture plane is visualized by electron microscope. Next question we see, phosphatidylserine residue in the plasma membrane are located at inner leaflet of the plasma membrane, the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane, evenly distributed in the inner and outer leaflet, none. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, phosphatidylserine are present at inner leaflet of the plasma membrane. Next question we have, which cell organelle is involved in apoptosis? Lysosomes, ER, Golgi, mitochondria. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, mitochondria. The death of cell which occur as a normal and controlled part of an organism growth or development is called apoptosis. Mitochondria is the most active organelle during it. Next question we have, the function of centrosome is formation of spindle fiber, osmoregulation, secretion, protein synthesis. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, formation of spindle fibers. Next question we have, which is correct regarding the peptides in the Ramachandran plot? The sequence of peptide can be deduced. It is not possible to conclude whether a peptide adopt entirely helix or entirely beta sheet conformation. Peptides that are unstructured will have all the backbone dihedral angle in the disallowed region. The occurrence of a beta turn conformation in a peptide can be deduced. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, the occurrence of beta turn conformation in a peptide can be deduced. The RMC plot or Ramachandran plot is a plot of torsional angles phi and psi of the residue or amino acid contained in a peptide. By making RMC plot, scientists can determine which torsional angle are permitted and can obtain insight into the structure of protein. Next question we have, which is not an example of transmembrane transport between different subcellular compartments? Transport from the stroma into thylakoid space, transport from the cytoplasm into the lumen of endoplasmic reticulum, transport from the endoplasmic reticulum into the Golgi complex, transform from mitochondrial intermembrane space into the mitochondrial matrix. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C. Transport from endoplasmic reticulum into Golgi complex is not an example of transmembrane transport between different subcellular compartments. Next question we have, the cell without a cell wall is termed as tonoplast, protoplast, symplast, apoplast. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, protoplast. Next question we have, the oxygen and carbon dioxide crosses the plasma membrane by the process of active diffusion, facilitated diffusion, passive diffusion, random diffusion. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, passive diffusion. Next question we have, the membrane around the vacuole is known as tonoplast, elioplast, cytoplast, amyloplast. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, tonoplast. Next question we have, glycolipids in the plasma membrane are located at inner leaflet of the plasma membrane, the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane, evenly distributed in the inner and outer leaflets. It varies according to the cell types. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, glycolipids in the plasma membrane are located at the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane. Next question we have, the resting potential membrane is determined by potassium ion gradient, sodium ion gradient, bicarbonate ion gradient. None. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, potassium ion gradient. Next question we have, which among the following define GPI anchored proteins? Integral protein of the plasma membrane, peripheral protein of the plasma membrane, protein that bind to ion gated channel in the plasma membrane, protein which randomly bind to the lipid of plasma membrane. Students, comment your answer. GPI means glycophosphatidyllinositol. So the right answer to this question is option B, peripheral protein of the plasma membrane. Next question we have, the fluidity of the plasma membrane increases with increase in unsaturated fatty acid in the membrane, increase in saturated acid in the membrane, increase in glycolipid content in the membrane, increase in phospholipid content in the membrane. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, increase in unsaturated fatty acid in the membrane, increase the fluidity of plasma membrane. Next question we have, lysosomes are known as suicidal bag because parasitic activity, presence of food vacuole, hydrolytic activity, catalytic activity. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, hydrolytic activity. Due to this, they are known as suicidal bags. Next question we have, addition of new cell wall particle among the existing one is deposition, apposition, interception, aggregation. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, apposition. The addition of new cell wall particle among the existing one is known as apposition. Deposition is setting of particle at bottom, and interception means growth in primary cell wall. Next question we have, the prokaryotic flagella possesses helically arranged protein molecule, 9+2 membrane enclosed structure, unit membrane enclosed fiber, protein membrane enclosed fiber. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, helically arranged protein molecule. The prokaryotic flagellum is not surrounded by any membrane. It consists of a single thread. The thread is made up of numerous identical spherical protein subunit called flagellin, which are arranged in helical spiral and form a hollow cylinder. Next question we have, select the correct statement from the following regarding cell membrane. Means 3 are wrong, 1 is right. Sodium and potassium plus ion move across cell membrane by passive transport. Protein make up 60 to 70% of the cell membrane. Lipids are arranged in bilayer with polar head toward the inner part. Fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D. All three statements above are wrong. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. So student, if you like our video, please share this video and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.